Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to draft this long sleeve, and also I'm going to also be teaching you on how to draft this short sleeve. So if this is what you're interested to learn, this video is definitely for you, because at the end of this video you'll be learning how to draft yours. So just pay attention closely and watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss anything. So guys, the first thing I went ahead to do is to bring out a plain pattern paper, and this pattern paper is folded into two. After doing that, I'll be coming down by half an inch on this pattern paper. I hope the way you can see what I'm doing, just do exactly what you see me doing. Now guys, I just went ahead to label it the shoulder line. So right guys, from here I'll be going down by my bicep line. So to get your bicep line, what you have to do is your bust measurement divided by 12, then plus 1 inch. I hope you understand guys. So just go ahead and divide your bust measurement by 12 plus 1 inch. So for me, when I did mine, I got 3.88 something, but I just love using 4 inches. But go ahead and divide your bust measurement by 12, and whatever you get, add 1 inch to it. But I just love using 4 inches, so I just rounded mine up to 4 inches. That's why I marked 4 inches from the shoulder line. So I hope you understand me guys. Now from this part, I'll also be going down to my ankle line. So go ahead and measure from your shoulder line to your ankle line on your hand. So guys, for me, mine was 12 inches, so I went ahead to mark 12 inches on both sides. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So just go ahead and do exactly the same thing, but with your measurements. Now I'm going to go ahead and just connect these 2 points together. So I hope you can see I've wrote a line. Now guys, I'll also go ahead and place my tape from the shoulder line, and I'll go down to my wrist on my full length of my sleeve. So for me, my shoulder to my wrist was 23 inches, so I've gone ahead to mark it here. So you can see why I'm marking it like this is to be able to get a really straight line. So go ahead and do exactly the same thing on yours so that you can get a straight line that won't end up being bent in any way. So I went ahead to label it. So this is my wrist line on my full length of my sleeve. I'll also here, this is my ankle line. So I hope you see. Then also for here, this is my bicep line. So I went ahead to just label it up. I also came here just to complete it and write the line. So this is my ankle line. That's my full length line, and this is my bicep line, and that is my shoulder line. Now that we have done all that, I'll come over to this shoulder line. This is our shoulder line. I measure from the shoulder line to the bicep line. Anything I get there, I'll mark it on the shoulder line. I hope you understand guys. Then from this point, I'll get the midpoint, which is 2 inches. So the midpoint from the shoulder line to the bicep line. I hope you understand guys. On this bicep line, I'll be marking my armhole measurement divided by 2. I hope you understand. My armhole measurement divided by 2. So for me it was 7 inches, but I'll go ahead to add extra 1 inch for stitching allowance. That is what I marked was 8 inches. Now guys, what I'm going to do is to connect all these points together. So let's just do that. So I'll be connecting from the shoulder line to this midpoint here. Now from this midpoint, I'll be connecting it all the way to this bicep point where we marked our armhole measurement. So go ahead, and if you have already sewn your clothes, go ahead and just measure around the armhole to know what you're having, and divide it by 2 to get your sleeve, or you just divide your bust measurement by 6 and add 1.5 to each. That is how to get your armhole measurements. So now after we have done that, I'll come over to this ankle line, and I'll be dividing it into 2 plus 1 inch for stitching allowance. So what I marked was 6 inches. My ankle measurement divided by 2 was 5 plus 1 inch for stitching 6. Now over to the wrist line, my wrist measurement is actually 7 divided by 2 was 3.5 plus 1 inch for stitching allowance. I marked 4.5 inches. So guys, that is just it. Please pay attention carefully. Now I'm going to go ahead to connect all those points together. So from the bicep line to the ankle line, from the ankle line to the wrist line, also known as our full length of our sleeve. And guys, this is it. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it out so that you can see what it will actually look like. So guys, let's just go ahead and do exactly the same thing I'm doing. And yeah guys, this is it. Now you can see how it's looking like. The next thing we're going to do is just open it so that I can show you what it's looking like. So this is how to draft your long sleeve. And now we have done that, we're going to go ahead and draft the short sleeve. So just follow carefully, it's very easy. Let me show you how to do that. Now I've gone ahead to bring a plain pattern paper also, but this one is short. That's just the only difference. Now that we have done that, I'm going to go ahead and come over here and also come down by 1/2 inch from this pattern paper, from the top of the pattern paper. I hope you can see. So just go down by about 1/2 inch. And that we have done that, I'll just label the shoulder line. Now I'm going to start taking on my measurement. So from this shoulder line down to the bicep line. So I've taught you how to calculate that in the first part. So this is it. So I marked 4 inches. Now from this point, I'll also come over here and mark 4 inches here. Now I'm going to be connecting these 2 points together like this. And yeah, this is it. Now from this shoulder line, I'll be going down by my full length of my short sleeve. So I think the short sleeve is normally between 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what I just marked was I wanted my short sleeves to be 9 inches. So I just marked 9 inches. So remember, it's a short sleeve, don't make it too long. Now we have done that, I'm going to just label this is the full length of our short sleeve. This is our bicep line. I hope you can see it. This is it. Now guys, I'm just going to go ahead to take our measurements for our sleeve. Now I told you from the shoulder line to the bicep line, you come over to the shoulder line and mark it over there. Now you get your middle point from your shoulder line to your bicep line like this, and get the midpoint, which is 2 inches. Now your bicep line, you're going to mark your armhole measurement divided by 2. I've taught you how to calculate that, and whatever you get, just add extra 1 inch for stitching allowance. So for me, I just marked 8 inches here because my armhole divided by 2 is 7 plus 1 inch for stitching allowance. So I marked 8 inches. Now from the full length line, going to divide your upper arm divided by 2 plus extra 1 inch. I hope you understand me. Now I'm going to be connecting all these points together. So from the shoulder line, I'll connect it to this midpoint here like this using my pattern master. I hope you see where I connected it. Now also you can see where I turned my pattern master, and I'm going to also be connecting it to this other point, just the way you see me doing. And now I've done that, I'll be connecting from the bicep line to our full length. That is our full length for our sleeve. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cut it out. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, this is the best time for you to do that, because subscribing means you'll be receiving more amazing updates like this. So if you have done that, thank you very much, and let's get back into the video. So you can see that I'm cutting this sleeve, and just go ahead and cut yours exactly like this. So I'm just going to open it up so that I can see what it actually looks like. Isn't this looking so beautiful? Yeah guys, I just went ahead to label it. This is the short. Just went ahead to describe short on it because this is for our short sleeve. And yeah guys, this other one here is the full length of the sleeves. You can see how it's looking. This is the long sleeve and this is the short sleeve. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that so that you'll be among the first people to receive a notification whenever I drop new tutorials. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.